Supply Chain Planning Cloud by Capgemini, powered by Oracle Cloud. In today's manufacturing and automotive world, complexity is constant, demand is volatile, and supply chains are fragmented. Planners are left juggling tools and manual processes. The result? Excess inventory, missed targets, and lost revenue. Capgemini's Supply Chain Planning Cloud integrates ERP, MES, and WMS systems into one intelligent platform, built to learn and adapt. With AI and machine learning, forecasts become up to 50% more accurate. Planners can simulate scenarios, automate tasks, and respond instantly to disruption. Manufacturers can cut inventory by up to 30%. Automotive leaders can improve on-time delivery by 15%. Backed by Capgemini's Global Oracle Center of Excellence and industry accelerators, deployment is rapid and scalable. Whether you're streamlining production or managing global networks, you can plan smarter, respond faster, and deliver better.